Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best iPhone accessories that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Power Strip. If you use multiple smart devices, including an iPhone, then something like this multi-socket extension cord with USB ports is a great buy. With this, you can charge your iPhone, AirPods, MacBook, and iPad, and you'd still have room to plug in 3 more devices. You also don't have to worry about finding separate charging batteries for each cord, as this has USB-A and USB-C ports. While this is advertised as an extension cord, it can only reach up to 5 feet, so that may be something to keep in mind depending on how conveniently your outlets are located. The cord is braided as well, which makes it kid and pet friendly. Moving on at number 4, we have Tempered Glass Screen Protector. If you don't already have a tempered glass screen protector for your phone, there's no time like the present to buy one. With this screen protector, you can keep your phone screen protected from potential cracks that require expensive repairs. While there are many screen protectors on the market, what makes this kit stand out is that it has a device to ensure a perfect installation every time. If you've struggled with putting screen protectors in the past or if you've never done it before, this kit is perfect for you. At number 3, we have Solar Power Portable Charger. If you're constantly on the go, having a backup battery on hand is never a bad decision. This portable charger is very convenient for commuters, business travelers, and campers alike. It supports various different smart devices and has wireless charging functionality, as well. However, what makes this portable charger stand out are its emergency features, including solar-powered charging and its built-in flashlight, making it a great choice for emergency preparedness kits, too. At number 2, we have MagSafe Car Mount. The Belkin MagSafe Car Mount is a sleek and minimal mount that's ideal for any iPhone user who uses MagSafe charging. This car mount is extremely easy to install, as it fits in any standard air vent. It has a very strong magnet, so your phone will stay put on the mount until you take it off and won't move around while you're driving. The design also allows you to orient your phone either vertically or horizontally, and while it's a bit pricier than other car mounts, it's well worth the investment for. And finally at number 1. MultiTool iPhone Cleaning Kit. It's no secret that our phones can collect a ton of bacteria, dirt, and dust, especially in hard-to-clean spots like charging and headphone ports. If you want to keep your iPhone cleaner and potentially increase your device's lifespan, this PurePoint multi-tool cleaner is a great buy. It has attachments that perfectly fit into each port of the iPhone to ensure it is cleaned properly. It even allows for cleaning of your AirPods and lightning cables, making it as functional as it is versatile. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.